I have a confession to make. This is the best Bluetooth speaker that I've ever used. Now, if you haven't heard of it by now, this is the Soundcore Motion X600, and this is the best Bluetooth speaker that I've ever heard. And the reason that I say that is because not only did the sound quality, controls, and build quality provide a really good experience, but I was incredibly shocked since this thing is only priced around 200 bucks, which is very much worth the money. Now, the X600 is Soundcore's newest model, and when you first look at it, you might think it looks like a regular Bluetooth speaker, but think about it like this. It's very lightweight, it supports spatial audio, it's completely waterproof, and I'm kidding you not, I have yet to turn the volume up to 100% because of how loud it is. And now when it comes to sound quality, Soundcore really took it to the next level and were able to recreate this immersive experience in a Bluetooth speaker with really great speaker positioning and a smart algorithm. This speaker delivers a really wide soundscape that makes you feel like the audio is taking over your ear. It also has an official certification for high-res wireless audio, and it guarantees wireless lossless music so you can enjoy your music. The Soundcore app offers Pro EQ, giving you up to 9 frequency bands to really fine-tune your custom audio experience. And later on in this video, I will be giving an exclusive sound test of the presets that it has to offer. But before we do that, let's go over some of the features that makes this speaker so impressive. Now, the first thing that stands out to me is its design because it's pretty small, has a really nice handle, and everything about it feels very premium. And I really think that these are benefits since most speakers I've used in the past are often ugly or don't feel premium unless you're spending a ton of money. Boombox designs aren't really for everyone, and I really like how Soundcore was able to modernize the look while still looking pretty cool. Every single person that I brought it around was very stunned by its look and color. Its minimal look really stands out. The integrated buttons, the metal materials feel really premium. There's nothing plastic about it, and the controls at the top are press buttons and simple. We have our on and off button. You long press it to turn the speaker on or off. Press the Bluetooth button for easy pairing with your smartphone or other devices. And over here, we have a button that actually allows you to turn on spatial audio, and I will be showing it to you later on in this video so that you can hear it. You can also adjust the bass, which Soundcore calls bass up, which lets you toggle between modest bass and bass boost. And I always prefer bass because I like bass heavy sound in my music, and Soundcore delivered this without any distortion whatsoever. Inside the app, you can choose preset profiles like Soundcore Signature and many others if you don't want to use the more advanced EQ. We have the top firing full range speaker, and to the right we have our volume controls and our play and pause button. And just a heads up, I won't be able to test this thing at full volume today because I live in an apartment, and since this thing is that loud, turning it up halfway even feels too loud. And if you turn the volume all the way up, you can easily use this speaker as your main source of music for parties at your home or a trip to the beach. Now, looking at the back, we have a USB-C port as well as a 3.5mm jack, which gives us plenty options for connecting devices to your speakers other than Bluetooth. And as you can see, the ports are kept behind this thick rubber flap, and that has to do with the fact that this speaker has an IPX7 rating, which means that it's waterproof. Also, heads up, this thing is sealed extremely tight because Soundcore makes sure water doesn't get through, so it will be pretty tough when trying to pull out the flap, which is a pretty good thing for its durability. You can drench this speaker in water and it will still come out fine, and I even pour water on it myself, and it made absolutely no difference to the speaker whatsoever. Also, this speaker has great battery life, coming in at 12 hours, so you can take this thing out all day and still listen to it the next day. Now, looking at the actual audio of the Soundcore X600, earlier in this video I told you guys that the impressive sound is achieved by the positioning of the speakers as well as a software algorithm, but it's also because the number of speakers that are inside the X600. See, regular Bluetooth speakers have a single full range driver with a cylinder or maybe a woofer or tweeter, but the X600 has 2 woofers, 2 tweeters, and 1 full range speaker, providing a well-rounded level of quality. And for a fun fact, Soundcore got the inspiration for the speaker positioning by the acoustic design of classic opera houses, using the ultra-wide soundscape to provide that 3D spatial sound. Also, it has a really impressive frequency, which ranges from as low as 65 Hz all the way down to 40 kHz, which means that you can really hear the detail of various musical instruments. Now, I will be providing a sound test, but I do want to let you guys know a couple of things before I actually do it. Now, it's pretty much impossible for you to hear the audio quality the exact way that I do, from my mic quality all the way to YouTube processing lowering its quality, but you will still get an idea of how it sounds since it only slightly hinders the experience. I have pretty high quality equipment to give you the most similar experience possible, and I will be playing non-copyright songs since me playing Marvin Gaye will get the video taken down. And I will be switching spatial audio on and off, as well as giving you guys an idea of how each preset sounds. And there it is, you guys, the Soundcore X600. It's a phenomenal speaker that truly shocked me with how good it is. It has amazing sound quality, it has a phenomenal hardware, it has a really great price, and I really think Soundcore knocked it out the park. And the link to the Soundcore X600 will be in the description and comment section of today's video, and let me know down in the comments if you will consider getting one. And again, I want to thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.